So in this video, we're going to be talking about the higher end boardroom, potentially auditorium spaces, places where you are probably going to be customer facing and you will be spending a little bit more money. Now, on this particular setup, we've got multiple cameras in this room. We can have up to 9 all streaming simultaneously. We've got ceiling mounted audio for microphones, and the audio now is incredibly intelligent that you can get. It really will focus beams on individuals, noise cancel, do a whole bunch of stuff in the background just to make that audio experience much nicer. We've got a tracking camera down here, so if you're like me and you like dancing around the room, it will follow you around. I've got it obviously fixed on me as a presenter at the moment. But the key difference you'll see in all of this is this screen. Now, Microsoft say the future of Teams is going to be all about their front row product, and I will show you that in a minute. But part of front row is all about spatial audio. So we've got this brilliant screen now, lots of people dialed in. The speakers either side of the screen. Part of spatial audio will be that if people, and I can't show you on this video, but if people on the left-hand side of the screen speak, it comes out through the left-hand speaker. People on the right-hand speaker, the two people in the middle will come out through both speakers. It makes it a far more natural experience when you're sitting in the room. You naturally want to look at the person who's speaking. So that's a front row screen, spatial audio, lots of cameras, and you can let your mind, your imagination really run wild with you when you're specifying these rooms. What I'm going to do now is put the system into the front row mode. Now what you'll immediately see, a part of front row, is that all the individuals along the bottom, we've got lost the backgrounds, they all go to a common black background, you just see the cutout of the individual themselves. It's supposed to make everyone feel equal in the meeting and equally involved. Either side of the screen you still have the standard chat page on one side, raise your hands, that can be changed in the settings, but you'll notice at the moment we've got one individual that's still taking up a lot of screen space. What I'm going to do now is fire up a whiteboard session for you. So here we've got a whiteboard, as you'll see many times before. We've got a GA drawing on there. But what I can do with a whiteboard is, with an interactive screen, I can start drawing, annotating on the screen. You could argue this could be used very well in huddle spaces. We showed you the other interactive board earlier. This screen is probably overkill for that kind of space. It's going to be for that wow factor customer facing space. But if you are going to be speccing out boardrooms, auditoria, there are a myriad of options. I really would recommend speak to an integrator who knows this stuff and can talk to you about the options there and come up with a specification that fits both your budget and your technical requirements.